guys, welcome back to MadyV TV, and it's Maddie. And today we are going to be testing the Crayola Model Magic Gooey Fun Party Set thing. You can find this at Walmart or Target. I got this for a Christmas present. And yeah, I think it's kind of weird because it has 3 containers, but you can make 10 slimes. Then it has some glitter glue, which I think is really pretty. Has a lot of clay, and it has like some slime activators down here, and it's like this really tiny glue bottle. Yeah, and what else you'll need for this is a mixing bowl, a spoon, the instructions, lotion. This one's scented coconut sunset. I got this at Bath and Body Works. It smells really good. Then you'll need a tiny measuring spoon and some baking soda. So I'm gonna get, the slime I'm making today is reduced glue butter slime. So I need 1 tablespoon of Crayola washable glue. So here's the washable glue. As I said, it is very tiny, so the slimes aren't going to be that big. 1/16 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, I have my baking soda and my tiny little measuring spoon. And then I need 1 teaspoon of lotion. I know what a teaspoon looks like, so I'm not gonna waste a measuring spoon for just lotion because I already know how to do that. And then slime part B, which is the activator. I feel like there's more activator than glue. 0.5 ounce Model Magic. This is close to 0.5 ounces Model Magic. We measured this on a scale, and yeah, so I'm just gonna use all of it because it's very close to that. So yes, no need 1 tablespoon of water. So I will get that when we need that. So it says, in a mixing bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of glue with a pinch of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lotion. That is a lot of instructions for 1 instruction. Just gonna pour in some glue. So this is a tablespoon. I'm just gonna use this to do my measuring. It's just so hard to get out. Once you finish putting a tablespoon in there, it doesn't really have to be perfect, but a good amount of glue. Okay, that's probably good. So then it says a pinch of baking soda. So what I'm gonna do with the baking soda is I'm just using this 1/2 teaspoon. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. You use about that much and put it in. And you're gonna set that aside. You're gonna mix that up. By the way, this glue smells pretty bad, so I'm glad I'm using scented lotion. And then it says add 1 teaspoon of lotion. I'm just gonna add some lotion because I'm gonna shake it well first. Then I'm going to add And you're gonna mix it well. Okay, so now we're on step 2, and it says add slime part B a drop at a time until slime is formed. This is slime part B, and I have a pipette here that I'm going to be using. It came with the kit, so you don't really have to go out and buy one or anything like that. And it says a drop at a time, so I'm gonna, that was a lot. Okay, it says drop at a time. This is a slow process, very slow process. So that was 1 drop. That was 2 drops. Well, 3 technically. And as you can see, the slime is already forming. Four, 5. Six, 7. 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. This is a really slow process because it says a drop at a time. I'm not really doing a drop at a time just to make this go faster. 14, 15. You want to keep like touching it once in a while because then you'll know the consistency of it. Okay, it's definitely forming into a slime. 16, 17, 18. So I finished my slime. It's a good consistency and it's good. Here it is. And then over here, it said, in a separate bowl, mix the Model Magic clay with 1 tablespoon of water. I have my tablespoon of water and my clay in the water. Don't know why it's in the water, but it's just in the water. Combine slime mixture with Model Magic clay mixture. So I'm guessing I have to knead the water into the clay. So I'm gonna do that, and when I'm done with that, I'll be back to you guys. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is really sticky, and I recommend your parents are fine with the space you're doing this in because it's really messy. And it got like soft, but it got gooey and sticky. So I'm gonna start kneading this, and hopefully nothing bad goes wrong because the water just made it kind of like not fun to play with anymore. Wow, that mixed in really easily. I'm gonna try and get all the clay off my hands with the slime. It seems to be working. So that's a good sign. Okay, so I think I got it all mixed in. It's a pretty good slime for a store-bought kit making slime, but I don't know if it's like a really good slime. It stretches nicely, but I don't know if I'll be able to make a slime swirl with it. Let's see if it spreads. That was disappointing. Okay, it does not spread. Maybe I added too much baking soda, but I don't think I did because I added very little baking soda. Okay, it's kind of not getting stretchy anymore. I wouldn't really recommend doing this slime because it's quite hard and it doesn't spread like a normal butter slime would. But here's a tip for you guys. Add a little bit of water to the clay because it makes it really soft and it's really nice. But I wouldn't really recommend this one to you. It kind of feels sandy. This slime was pretty good. I'm gonna put it in the container now. This is a perfect slime starting kit for you if you want to just learn how to start making slime. It's so cute. This was a really good, it's quite a good slime, but I don't really recommend doing this one for you. There is 9 other options that you could do. Maybe you could try those. This one is a little hard, so you can choose to do it if you want. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to tune into my other videos because they're going to be really fun and yeah, my channel. I really hope to get this